Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by makeup, I am here to simplify it for you. Today's video is a full step-by-step makeup routine for absolute beginners. No fancy skills needed, no expensive products needed, just real tips that actually work. Always start with clean skin. I use a gentle face wash followed by a lightweight moisturizer. This step makes everything sit better and last longer. Apply any lip balm of your choice so that your lips remain hydrated while you're doing your makeup. If you have oily skin or have big pores, you can use a small amount of primer on your T-zone, but honestly, totally fine to skip it on casual days. Go for a BB or a light foundation. You can apply it with your fingers or a sponge. You can start from the center and blend outwards. Do not cake it on. Also remember to use a wet sponge. Do not use a sponge which is dry. So just wet your sponge a little bit with water, squeeze the water out, and then use it to apply your foundation or to apply your concealer. Use a concealer under your eyes, around your nose, and anywhere where you feel it to be a little bit darker or you need a little extra coverage. You can blend it gently with your ring finger if you do not want to use a sponge, because your fingers are usually warm, so they help in a better coverage when you apply concealer using the fingers. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of powder bronzer just to add a little bit of color and shadow on the face. I'm then going to use a loose powder to set everything so that the makeup does not come off and sweat does not get the makeup off as well. Brows shape your whole face. So you can use a pencil or a brow powder to fill in the gaps, and you can always use the brush as well so that you can brush it through and make it look natural. So I'm using the Benefit brow pencil here. I will link all the products that I'm using, by the way, in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. For the eyeshadow, you can pick just one shade or two shades. I'm going to use two shades here. So I'm going to use a brown shade and a little bit dark pink shade. So I'll just blend in both the colors softly. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure on your brush. You can just blend it in softly and get a nice look with the eyeshadow. If you want, you can curl your eyelashes and apply mascara just to add a little bit of drama to your lashes. You don't need to curl the eyelashes if you are not comfortable. Now to add a pop of color to your face and give that blushed look or sun-kissed look, you can use a blusher. Along with the blush, this palette also has a highlighter, so it does the double duty for me. And finally, to complete the look, we apply the lipstick. And there you go, an easy everyday look for beginners. Save this routine for work, college, or even a chill dinner night. If this helped, then please hit the like button and share this with your friends and family, and also subscribe for more minimal, budget-friendly beauty content. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to makeup product. And I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you want to know more about my anti-aging morning skincare routine, you can watch this video next.